Hi guys, in episode 2 of Kitabi Kira, we are going to talk about Gunaho Ka Devta. Anyone who reads Gunaho Ka Devta reads it as a love story between Sudha and Chandar, but for me it's a story where every woman ends up sacrificing something or the other because of Chandar's choices, and his choices literally shaped everyone's life. Let's talk about Sudha first. So I don't think so there is a single reader of this novel who didn't feel for Sudha, and honestly why wouldn't they? Her love was unforgettable, her sacrifice was unforgettable, her choices, her decision, almost every aspect of her life was revolving around Chandar. And yet what did she receive in return? She had to marry someone she never wanted to marry. She had to spend her entire life with someone she never imagined to. And imagine someone's depth of love. When Chandar told her that you should get married, she just agreed to that. Like, imagine taking your life's biggest decision just because someone asked you to do so. And it's not just about Sudha. There are still so many characters which I feel was going through something. Like, let's talk about Pammi. What was her fault? Chandar entered in her life when he was emotionally broken. He was using Pammi as a coping mechanism when Sudha got married, or say he was with someone he was physically attracted to. When he was dealing with his own regrets, his own traumas, he used Pammi. He used to visit her, meet with her, spend time with her. And when he got his morals and identities back, ideals back, he just left her. And I agree that Pammi was also interested in Chandar. She also wanted to build some connection with Chandar. But Pammi deserved honesty. She doesn't deserve just abandonment. You just abandoned her when you realize, no, this is wrong. What am I doing is wrong. So you just left her. And let's talk about the most disturbing fact of this novel, that Chandar marries Binti. Like, if the caste was an obstacle between Chandar and Sudha's marriage, then how could she marry Binti? Because Binti was her sister. If I'm not missing something, Binti was Sudha's sister. Sudha loved Chandar. Chandar loved him too. Then how could you marry someone's sister once you loved? And between all this chaos, I just kept asking a question from Sudha's father. Like, how could you not feel what your daughter wants? Like, how could you just, no, I will not say happiness, how could you give your daughter's freedom in someone's, how could you allow it as a father? You were her father. वो आपकी बेटी थी. How could you not understand that she loves Chandar? And after all this chaos, when she was gone, you were crying. When she was suffering, you were not there. जब उसकी शादी हो रही थी तो आपको क्या नहीं दिखा? आप एक साथ उस घर में रहते थे कि उसको शादी करने का मन नहीं है. स्टिल आपने उसकी शादी करवा दी, और जब वो जा चुकी है तब आप रो रहे हो, चंदर रो रहा है. क्या है? एंड आई थिंक दैट्स वाई धर्मवीर भारती जी ने इस किताब का नाम रखा था गुनाहों का देता. बिकॉज फॉर मी चंदर इज नॉट सिंपली अ हीरो और अ विलन. ही इज अ ह्यूमन with thousand of flaws, and because of his flaws everyone else there has to just suffer. This is my first Hindi novel that I have ever read, and this has this has been my most favorite. Why was not anyone asking what she wanted? Why her own voice matters so little? I know Chandar suffered too. He suffered with his regret and his own consequences, but bro, it was your decision. It was your decision to keep your morals high, which you just couldn't. You ruined Pammi's life also, you ruined Sudha's life also, and after all this chaos, you just got married to Binti. This novel stayed with me for so long. It didn't just make me emotional, it made me question society, love, and even the people we choose to admire. So yeah, if you're planning to read this novel, please go ahead and tell your experiences with me. Bye, see you in the next one.